Using 3TG and VSCode to mock components, we have a component named addition, which receives two numbers and displays their result. All negative numbers are displayed in red, all positive numbers in black, and 0 in green. The component number is responsible for displaying the number. We will test if -1 + 1 = 0, so we have a test that includes all possible text colors. Since we already have tests for the number component that check if it displays all three correct colors, we will mock it in the test for the addition component and check only whether the numbers are displayed correctly. Let's run the test. The test is failing because the number component is mocked, which makes it a function that returns undefined. Let's fix it by creating its mock file using the 3TG extension. Only the value property should be displayed. Let's run the test again. The tests work as expected. The mocked function is exported as a constant. If we prefer, we can generate it as a function. To do that, we need to enable the mock declared as function in settings. We also need to remove the mock file so that 3TG can generate a new one for us. Let's run the test again. The test works as expected. If you found this helpful and you're leading a development team which want to boost code quality and test coverage without slowing developers down, head over to 3tg.dev and get your licenses today. 3TG is built for developers and teams who want to write better, faster, and smarter tests. And for companies that care about reliable code, fast onboarding, and scalable test generation. Purchase the right licenses for your team at 3tg.dev. Also check the Coding Creed Technologies manifesto at codingcreed.tech. You can contact us at any time by email at support@codingcreed.tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you.